Hey there, campers! Here's how to get paint in Outbound. Paint is a crafting material used to change your camper van's colors at the painting station. Before you can make paint, you'll first need to unlock the mortar and pestle blueprint, which can only be obtained from the terminal inside the windmill. If you need help completing the windmill puzzle, be sure to check out the channel for a detailed walkthrough. While exploring the windmill area, you've probably noticed the flowers growing around the region. Gather at least 5 flower petals, as they're required to craft paint. Once you have enough materials, set up camp and open your build menu. Go to the Workstations tab and click on the icon with the box and rotating arrows to find the mortar and pestle. Build it, then interact with it to open its crafting menu. There you'll find the recipe for paint. Each paint requires 5 flower petals. Simply click the recipe to queue a production order, then press the red button in the middle to begin crafting. Once the process is complete, collect the paint from the Workstation's output window, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.